Welcome back to Naughty Elder Woodcraft. In this video I'm going to unbox, assemble, and do a test on the new Bauer 14-inch bandsaw. I've been using a 14-inch Porter cable bandsaw, but wasn't really very happy with it. As with any unboxing, opening the box is a good place to start. I begin by cutting the packing tape and open the flaps. The first thing I pull out is the hardware and the hex wrenches that are used for adjusting the saw. Next, I take out the braces that will be used for shoring up the legs to the stand. They even added a plastic push stick that I really don't care for. Here's the aluminum rip fence. I then remove the top styrofoam packing. I lift out the work surface. It seems to be a good quality cast iron. Here's the main assembly wrapped in plastic. I recruit the help of my son to lift it out as it is heavy. I then take out the legs to the stand. I am really impressed with the quality that I have found in these parts. The stand has casters included for easy mobility. Here is the included miter gauge. I have everything laid out ready to assemble. Bauer did an excellent job on the finish. It even has a blade tension gauge that we will look at closer later. I begin the assembly by laying it on its side to bolt on the legs. After getting the legs secured, I then add the right brace and the axle assembly with the two wheels. I'm having a bit of a struggle getting this first bolt started while holding the brace and wheel assembly in place. These wheels create somewhat of a tight spot to get these nuts started straight with these big fingers. You can see Sweetie picking up things that I have dropped on the floor. Next, I bolt on the bracket to the legs on the left side. This one goes a little better. I then add the brace to the legs on the back. And then finally, I attach the brace to the legs on the front. And here I add the caster that lifts the left side that makes it mobile. Again, I recruit the help of my son to lower it to the floor. I then set the work surface in place and begin to bolt it down. I grab a speed square to see how square the blade is to the table. It looks perfect right out of the box. After that, I set up the rip fence. And now for the moment of truth. After adjusting the guide bearings, my first cut is to resaw a 6x9 inch piece of walnut. Now that is impressive. I don't know what the brand of the blade is that it came with, but it cut through that walnut like a hot knife through butter. And the accuracy of the cut is as good as you can expect from a cheaper bandsaw. It is capable of an 8-inch resaw, where most can only cut 6 inches. And now for a rip cut. It's right on the mark. After that resaw, I'm not surprised. I am blown away by the performance and quality of this saw. I have many Bauer tools and Hercules as well. I have no complaints from these brands as they get better all the time. You can't beat the quality, the many features, and the price of this saw. The guide bearings are a breeze to adjust and doesn't even require a tool. It features a rack and pinion adjustment for cut height. It has a gauge for blade tension. It has a positive locking system to keep the covers closed. The dust collection is as good as I've found on any bandsaw, with a 4-inch port at the bottom of the lower casing and a removable tray. It has a brush for sweeping the dust from the tire. It also has a 2-speed pulley system with a 1-horse motor. There is a great caster system for easy mobility. It has storage for the hex wrenches and the miter gauge. There's also a place for the push stick, not shown here, the usual adjustment for blade tension, and the quick release for changing blades. The adjustable blade alignment. The fence system is okay and gets the job done. There is room for improvement there. I have to say, it is easy to read. And it locks down solidly. The table has a rack and pinion adjustment that makes setting up angles easy and accurately. And there is an adjustable stop to set it back to 90 degrees every time. It locks solidly in place. This is the 4-inch dust port to hook up a dust collector. Here is a shot of the information on the motor. I hope you found value in this video and was able to take away something useful. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you care to. Whether you hated it or liked it, or even if you are indifferent about it, thank you for watching.